Hello everyone. So let us continue with data communication. In the last video, we have learned the components of data communication. In this video, we shall study the different types of transmission modes. So today in this video, we will discuss the different types of data flow or the different types of transmission modes. Now the data flow transmission mode refers to the mechanism of transferring data between two devices, which means that it refers to the way of exchanging the data between two connected devices. The data flow will also tell us the direction in which the information flows. So there are three types of transmission modes or three types of data flow, that is simplex, half duplex and full duplex. We will study each of these in detail. So first let us study simplex mode. The simplex mode is unidirectional, which means that the data can flow only in one direction. Also, one device can only send the data, whereas the other device can only receive the data. So the sender will not be able to receive anything and the receiver will not be able to send any data. One of the examples is keyboard and traditional monitors, wherein the keyboard can only give the input and the monitors can only give the output. Another example of simplex communication is the data flow between the remote control and the television, wherein the remote control can only transmit the data, whereas the television can only receive the data. Next, let us discuss half duplex mode. Now in half duplex mode, both the devices can send the data as well as receive the data, but not at the same time. Now consider there are two devices A and B. So when A is sending, B can only receive the data. B cannot send at the same time when A is sending. Similarly, when B is sending the data, A can only receive, A cannot send the data at the same time. Also, since only one device will be sending data at a time, the entire capacity of the channel can be used by the sending device. Now considering this example, if A is sending the data, then entire capacity of the channel can be utilized by the device A. Similarly, if B is sending the data, then entire capacity of the channel can be used by B. So one of the examples of half duplex is walkie-talkie, wherein only one person can speak at a time, or in other words we can say where only one device can transmit at a time. Next, let us discuss full duplex mode. Now in full duplex mode, both the devices can send as well as receive data simultaneously. So if there are two devices A and B, then both A and B can send as well as receive data at the same time. So if A is sending, then B can also send as well as receive the data at the same time. Similarly, when B is sending, A can also send and receive the data at the same time. Also, since both the devices are sending as well as receiving data at the same time, the capacity of the channel will be shared between the connected devices. So one of the example of full duplex mode is the telephone, where two people can speak as well as listen at the same time. Thank you so much for watching.